Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. NCP leaders support Mickey's campaign to strengthen NCP. Say have full faith in Mickey. Mickey shows off his political strength. Women's power showing impact. Kumbarjua MLA announces schemes for self-help groups. Sattari formula now in Kumbarjua. Goa Arts and Literary Festival begins. Renowned speakers to attend 3 days festivals. Anandamurthy says writers should go beyond writings. Churchill brothers dominate proceedings against Mohun Bagan in the I-League. Win 2-0. And watch Goa's Ranji season 2010-2011 analysis. Goa fails to better last year's shortcomings, finish in position similar as last season. And now the news in detail. NCP has backed its MLA Mickey Pacheco's statement of strengthening NCP in 40 constituencies. NCP State President Surendra Sirsat has said party has full faith in Mickey that he will continue with the NCP. Meanwhile, Mickey had a show of political strength at Banauli at his birthday celebrations and the party leaders witnessed it.
काल मिकीन स्टेटमेंट केलो की तो 40 मतदारसंघांनी कॅन्डिडेट घालतलो म्हणून हाज्या वयल्यान तुमकां दिसना की पार्टेक खंय तरी सेटबॅक खंय तरी धक्को बशिल्ल्या भशेन किंवा पार्टेन फूट पडिल्ल्या भशेन बीन
तो आमच्या पक्षाचो अजूनही आमदार आसा आणि त्याच बरोबर आमदार असून ताणें सांगलेलें आसा की आपलो शरद पवाराच्या नेतृत्वाचेर विश्वास आसा आणि ह्या पक्षा बरोबर आपण अजूनही बांधील आसा जोपर्यंत ताचे कॅटेगोरिकली कसो स्टेटमेंट येना की आपण पक्ष सोडला आणि आपण कितें तरी दुसरे इंडिपेंडेंटली दुसरो पयशे काडून उबे असो तो कॅटेगोरिकल स्टेटमेंट करिना किंवा जेन्ना तूं उघडपणान सांगिना तेन्ना ताचेर आपण विश्वास दाखोवप हें बरोबर न्हू आनी आमचो अजूनय ताचेर विश्वास आसा आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा की तो पक्षा बरोबरूच आसा पक्षा बरोबरूच ते हेज्या फुडेंय बी रावतलो आनी आमचे जे कितें आमी तेंचो पयलीं सुरवातीक सुद्दां आमी सांगलेलें आसा कितें म्हणून की 40 मतदारसंघांतल्यान आमी आमच्या पक्षाचें बळ वाडोवपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करतले आणि युती करती काय ना करती शेवटी आमचे हायकमांड थारयतले आमची जी कितें पक्ष सृश्टी आसा कारण ते थारयतले तर ह्या पार्श्वभुमीचेर फाल्यां कितें घडटलें हें आज सांगणें कठीण आसा
म्हणजे एनसीपी सामके फुल्ली बॅकअप करता मिकीक तर ह्या स्टेटमेंटाचेर
न्हू हांव सांगलें कितें की मिकीन जो कितें सांगलेलें की आपूण पक्षा बरोबर आसा आपलो पक्ष नेतृत्व जे शरद पवार आसा तांचेर आपलो विश्वास आसा तांचेर आपली श्रद्धा आसा आनी ताका लागून आपूण पक्ष सोडपाचो प्रश्न येवंक ना म्हणून
40 कॅन्डिडेट जे म्हटलं पार्टी ताच्या वांगडा आसा
40 कॅन्डिडेट म्हटलेले पळय काय ना हांव प्रश्न मांडलो कितें की 40 मतदारसंघांतल्यान आमच्या पक्षाचें बळ वाडोवपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करता आनी हांवें
पार्टीचो बळ वाडोवपाक पार्टी ताच्या बरोबर आसता
पार्टी आमच्या सगळ्यांक मेळून आमी काम करूंक जाय न्हू तें आमी सगळ्यांनूच जेन्ना आमच्या 40 मतदारसंघांनी आमी पक्षाचें बळ वाडोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता तेन्ना तो एक आमचो आसल्या कारणान तो आमचो एक आमदार आसल्या कारणान तेच्या सहकार्याची आमकां गरज आसातूच न्हू.
Meanwhile, Mickey Pacheco's birthday celebration kicked off on Sunday late evening at Banauli. Many politicians and well-wishers of Mickey wished him during the celebration. NCP State President Surendra Sirsat, Senior NCP leader Praful Hede, Rajan Ghate, Venkatesh Prabhu Moni, Viola, Nelly Rodrigues and others were present. From the BJP camp, Manohar Parrikar, Mapsa MLA Francis D'Souza and Ramrao Desai greeted Mickey. MP Francisco Sardin also marked his presence. But Mickey's legislature colleagues Jose Philip D'Souza and Nilkanth Hadankar were not seen at the birthday venue. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye from Panji with video journalist Sushant Par and reporter Samir Bhatt from Banauli.
Almost a year left for state assembly elections. But in Kumbarjua, women self-help groups have already started receiving a big boost. MLA Pandurang Madkaikar has announced free insurance, tour and other facilities for the self-help groups at a convention held in Old Goa on Sunday. Seems Kumbarjua is following Junior Rane's policy in Sattari and his footsteps.
Women self-help groups have become influential in Vishwajit Rane's Walpoi constituency. And perhaps now this trend is getting popular in other constituencies. According to Pandurang Madkaikar, his constituency supports more than 80 women self-help groups. He held a convention at Old Goa on Sunday for these groups. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath was the chief guest. AICC General Secretary Alka Lamba also addressed the convention and voiced for women empowerment. But the big surprise came from the announcements made by the local MLA Pandurang Madkaikar. He has promised free group insurance, tour to Shirdi and Velankani and other facilities for women groups.
आमच्या ग्रुपाने सदस्य आसा जी मेंबर्स आसा त्या प्रत्येक मेंबराचो इन्शुरन्स करपाचो ठरयल्लो आसा आनी तो म्हाज्या स्वताच्या पयशांनी तुमचो प्रत्येकाचो इन्शुरन्स कोण शिर्डीक वचपाक सोदता कोण आनी खंय सोदता खूब कडेन वालांकानी वचपाक सोदता ह्या खातीर 80 ग्रुपाक जे 80 ग्रुप आसा त्या प्रत्येक ग्रुपाक ह्या वर्सा टूर आसतलो बॉयज टूर परत तुमी म्हाजे कडल्यान मेळटलो प्रत्येक ग्रुपाक.
However, Madkaikar claims there aren't any political motives behind the convention.
आमच्या फाटल्यान इतको लोक आसा हें दाखोवपाचें आसता आनी ह्या खातीर आमी खूब वेळा लोक जमोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता आनी अशे तरेचे अधिवेशनां घेता. पूण आयचें जें अधिवेशन आसा आयचें जें कन्वेन्शन आसा हें तुमच्या खातीर आसा तुमच्या फायद्या खातीर आसा.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath appreciated Madkaikar for supporting self-help groups and announced more help on behalf of the government.
मडकयकार म्हणून तो असो भुरगो की सरकाराच्यो स्किमी सुद्दां पयस दवरून तो गरज पडली जाल्यार आपल्या पयशा म्हणून स्किमी करता. हांव ताचें कौतुक करता. सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपा खातीर मडगांवच्या शहरात मॉल बांदपाचें सुद्दां बजेटांत प्रोविजन केल्लें आसा. जानेवारीच्या पयल्या आठवड्यात कदाचित ह्या मॉलाचें काम चालू जातलें. हे मॉल फक्त सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपा खातीर आसतलें.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
A renowned writer, U.R. Ananthamurthy, articulated that writers should go beyond writings. He was speaking at the inaugural function of Goa Arts and Literary Festival held at International Centre in Donapal. The festival will go on till 14 December.
So there are so many things, which disturb me as a writer, because otherwise I can't go beyond writing. A writer who doesn't want to go beyond writing, a writer who doesn't feel I can't write anymore, how can I face this? Then if he is very talented, he will write for himself or herself and produce good literature. There will be a lot of good literature, but not something which goes beyond. You have to produce again novels like Godhan.
This festival is organized by International Centre in coordination with the Sahitya Academy, Konkani and Marathi Academy and other organizations. This festival includes topics on hypnotism, painting, photography, literature and much more. There will be a series of discussions on various topics. Konkani writer Damodar Mauzo said, "True picture of Goa is depicted in the Goan literature."
Goans are projected as the merry-going people, drinking and dancing all day. Well, it is a land of fun and frolic, but if you want to see real Goa, do go through Goan literature and also our paintings, and you will know what Goa is. Friends, I hope as you go back, you will carry a different impression of Goa.
A reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
It's time for a short break. We'll be right back.